Hello there. I just finished applying ceramic coating to my table saw for the first time ever, and I really like how it feels, how it glides. I hope that it will last for a long time. That remains to be seen. I still have material available or left, so I decided to apply the same thing to my jointer as well. And the method will be the same. So what I will first do is just put some WD-40 on all the metal surfaces here. Then I will sand it with 400 grit just to get all the stuff out that might be here. This is somewhat clean, but I think it's still worth it to make sure that all the possible leftovers of whatever gunk might be there can be taken out. Then I will clean it up with acetone to get everything out, the oil out, everything I can. And then I will actually start applying the carbon method materials they have. The first thing is they have their own cleaner as well. So even though I will clean it with acetone, I will use their product as well to make sure that it will be ready for applying the ceramic coating itself. And I think I will put at least 2 coats, maybe 3. I need to wait 1 hour between each coat, so let's see how long I want to stay in the shop today. After that's done, then the final thing will be to apply this carbon glide, which I guess the name kind of says what it does. It will make sure that everything will glide properly. So I think it will actually be even more useful on the jointer than on my table. So because here it's super annoying when the table starts to get stuck. So getting proper glide and protection here will be very useful. What I've done before, I've been using just these wax blocks to wax everything and buff it in. And it works fine, but doesn't last for that long. So hopefully this will be better in that sense. That remains to be seen. Ask me again in, I don't know, 6 months, 1 year. I can then report if it's still holding and giving protection and glide. But let's get to work. So this jointer is from 1966. By the time I'm doing this voiceover, it's roughly 59 years old. The surface, as I mentioned in the beginning, was in surprisingly good condition. The previous owners must have been maintaining it quite well. But anyway, there was small pieces of some gunk or whatever that you could feel with your finger. So I still think, even though it was in a pretty good condition, it was still worth it to go through it with the 400 grit paper and the WD-40. That ensures that everything is super clean once I start applying the coat. I cleaned the surface in multiple phases. After the initial sanding and applying WD-40, I wiped off everything I could. Then here I'm applying acetone and wiping it off again. And those are kind of pre-steps before I start using the carbon method products that came with the kit. I mentioned it on the video I did for my table saw, but when you start applying the carbon method cleaner, it has a foul smell on it, so strong recommendation to use gloves and some kind of protection so you don't inhale everything that's coming out from it, because it really doesn't smell healthy. Following the instructions, I cleaned up the surface with the carbon method cleaner 2 times. There's no wait time in between, so it only takes like few minutes to go through the whole thing 2 times. All of the steps up until now have been just preconditioning the surface so that it will be on a bare metal as clean as possible, so that I can start applying the carbon coat. And the instructions that come with it are very specific. I was trying to follow them to the best of my ability. I explained it in more detail on the table saw video, but here's a bit of footage on me applying the first coat. In the end, I added 3 coats overall before adding the carbon glide that goes on top. So off camera I added the second coat of the ceramic coating. Now it's been over an hour, so I can apply the third and the last coat. Then I need to wait at least 2 days before I can apply the final glide layer. But obviously on the video it will happen right after I apply the third coat. But in case you decide to do this yourself, make sure to wait for 2 days after applying the final coat of the coating. That's in the instructions. As I'm now applying the third coat, just in case you are wondering how much can you get out from this small bottle. So what I ended up doing was, first I gave the protection to my table saw and here to my jointer, and at the end of the video you will see me doing very quickly my planer as well. And I pretty much ran out of the material by the time I was done, so for me, the way I applied it, the small bottle was just enough to get a table saw, a jointer and planer done, 3 coats each. I think I have enough material to maybe do 1 coat more for one of the machines, so that should give you an idea how much you can get out from the small kit that they sell in Carbon Method website. Alrighty, now it's done. So I've applied the ceramic coating, multiple coats. I think I did 3. And then I applied 2 coats of the glide, and now it's completely ready. And obviously you cannot see it on the video, but you can really feel that the surface is super smooth and it does glide surprisingly well. I'm actually positively surprised. This really feels nice. I haven't done any actual work on it yet, but I mean, even just with my hand, I can just feel that it will glide a lot better. And I was reading the ceramic coating or the Carbon Method instructions, and they said that this should last for a year, so this should be applied once a year. And if that's true, then I think this is totally worth it to spend a bit of an effort and money on making sure that the surfaces are protected from rust, from all kind of gunk, and having the glide as good as it really is now. So far so good. Time will tell how long this will last, but as mentioned, if it lasts for a year, then I'm super happy. And then I'm just testing for my own, this won't be seen on the video, but just putting some water. I already tried this on my table, but yeah, the water just beads up and it's super easy to clean. So in case I manage to get some glue or water or whatever here, now it will not stick and get sucked by the surface. It just stays on and it's super easy to clean, so I'm happy. Now I just need to get my blades installed. They are currently being sharpened so that I can actually start using and testing, but feels good. Now that I'm doing this voiceover, I have been using my table saw and my jointer and my planer for about 2 weeks since applying the ceramic coating, and I have 0 complaints. Especially on the jointer, I think it makes very good sense in terms of the glide you get, the smoothness of the use. Obviously the protection part is very valuable to all cast metal surfaces, but in terms of functionality, I'm actually happiest with the results I got from my jointer. I hope it's useful. I recommend the product. I cannot yet confirm if the protection will be as good as it is now from 1 year on. But watching some other reviews, I've seen like 9-month reviews and people are super happy. So I have high hopes, but thanks for watching.